Alrighty, we're dressed. We're going out to see what Big Brother's been up to. Where is he? There he is. What are you doing, trampoline? We have Mama Megarex. Look at her. She's fierce.
She's fierce.
Well, its real name, the real name of her is T-Rex Jurassic.
Yeah, she's actually from Jurassic World, I think, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna pretend she's Mama Megarex, even though we know she's really from Jurassic World. And then we've got the real Megarex, which we're gonna pretend is Baby Megarex.
Which is a kid.
Which is a
Megarex.
kid. He's pretty scrappy looking.
Yeah, it's a kid.
And what do we have over there?
This is Dragonoid.
Dragonoid. Okay, so we've got our little family here. Lead the way, Dragonoid.
All right. Lead the way, Dragonoid. All right. Where do you think we should go?
Following you, kids.
Yeah, let's go. Whoa, what's this?
Whoa! What is this?
I'll come back up.
Whoa! Look what you found! You found a rock bed.
Yeah,
What are we gonna do with this rock bed?
I don't know. How about we do some rock crawling? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Did you break an axle?
No.
No.
Well, I think I did. Well, I did lose my hood.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, help that.
Yeah. Fix, fix. Fix, 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 fix. Fix, fix. All right, he's good to go.
Oh no! Oh no, there's the spikes of doom.
Spikes of doom.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't want to have anything to do with the spikes of doom.
Oh,
Oh, I see the spikes of doom. You made it.
yep. You gotta try, Mama.
Whoa, whoa,
Woo.
whoa, whoa! Oh, landed on the spikes of doom. Help!
Watch this.
Baby Megarex, are you not getting good traction?
Win.
Oh, this is a rough course.
No, no. Oh, I saved it. I'm gonna do a backflip. Wow. Oh no, look at me. Sean. No, I'm gonna hit the spikes of doom.
Just missed him.
I didn't even hit him.
Baby
But,
Megarex
let me
looks like he's
over.
about to get into some trouble. Megarex! Megarex likes the water. Is he some kind of marine creature?
No.
Is he part like plesiosaur or something?
Yeah. A Megarex.
It's like or like a mosasaurus, aren't they in the water too?
Yep.
Boys, come on, Megarex,
Get
Dragonoid.
in there. Get in
No,
there.
I don't want to.
Please.
What's gonna happen if I get in there?
You're gonna be hot.
Okay, I guess I'll go in there and try it out. That's not hot. Got the shivers.
Fire power. Is that better?
Yeah, now that I wish it was a hot spring. If it was a hot spring, I'd be having the time of my life in here.
He's in the hot water.
Just a Mama Megarex, just enjoying the hot spring. We need to teach you guys some swim lessons.
I know how to do it. Look at me.
Hey, I'm so cold and frozen I can't even drive. Can you pull me over to the rock bed? What's that?
Lava. That's lava.
Why'd you pour lava on me?
I'm sorry. That's just hot air.
Hot air.
I'm actually cold.
You are actually cold?
Yeah.
Maybe we should dry off, come back out.
Yeah.
Let's get dry clothes on and then we'll come back out.
Well, I'm not wet. Only my hands are wet.
Operation Warm Hands Up.
Yeah. How about a hot chocolate?
A hot chocolate! Okay, so we're gonna go warm up and drink some hot chocolate and we will resume our monster truck shenanigans later. Let's go.
It's so cold.
Brrr.
Yeah.
Are you ready for some nice warm hot chocolate, Dragonoid?
Yeah, let's get some.
Okay, where's the hot chocolate?
I can fly. Oh, here it is.
Okay.
This is a cafe.
This is the cafe.
I can fly. So I can just go right here.
Okay. All right.
I'm back
Whoa.
one.
Excuse me. Is this the cafe for the hot
Yes,
chocolate? We are
this
freezing. We need
is.
to warm up. We've
Okay.
already changed our clothes.
Wake up, Smashadon. Okay.
Pour it in.
Mommy, don't. Here they are.
All right. Oh, those look delicious.
I'm getting
Ooh, more?
That
Was delicious.
Oh no, we accidentally freeze the monster trucks.
Wait, what? This is a cafe where you make hot chocolate. What do you mean
Yeah.
monster trucks?
Well,
Was that the customers before us? You froze them?
On an accident.
How do you freeze somebody on accident? Okay.
Smash freeze!
Oh!
There were 6 customers, and then all of a sudden they were like, I didn't mean to do that.
Oh no.
Look at my bones.
I can see your bones.
Hey, you want me to show you the customers?
I guess so.
Right
I'm a little
there.
frightened, but sure, I'll take a look at your customers that you froze into ice
Okay.
blocks.
There they are.
What?
I accidentally had
In
food
the
coloring
world?
in my trunk.
You had food colored in your trunk and you froze your customers?
Yeah. Here.
They look like they were just
Here.
kids. They're pretty small.
I'll call Blaze Gun.
You'll call Blazagon?
Yes, he breathes fire.
I can see them in there.
He breathes fire.
Oh my.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my.
I'm here.
Oh.
Get the torch.
Oh, Blazagon.
Did you see that?
That was very helpful.
Yeah.
Smashadon, we need your help. You froze these customers. Now we need you to use your trunk to thaw them out.
Whoa, they're unfreezing.
Whoa, Smashadon, dude.
It's actually unfreezing them. Look at his tires. Look at his tires.
He's coming back to life.
Look at that.
Good job, Smashadon.
They're coming back to life. I think that's Max D. Yeah, that's Max D. It's Max D.
Who else is here?
Okay, that's I think that's Batman. Yeah, that's Batman. Batman!
Alright, we've got a couple more to save here.
Help! Thank you.
Another digger and...
I think that's zombie. Yep. Gold zombie.
Wow.
Thank you. You're welcome, zombie. Here.
Are you guys getting warm after you've been thawed out?
Yeah.
You sitting on the stove there?
I'm so good.
This is what you do to all of your customers? Ooh, Max is reaching for the pan. He thinks they might be hungry. Would you like to cook them some food? Tyro Chomp would like some food. Oh wait, sorry, I'm the one that's working here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'll make you guys some food. Oh, I mean, sorry. Am I supposed to be eating food or making food?
Making.
Making. Dragonoid, where are you?
Dragonoid. Who farted?
Oh.
It was the pizza!
Speaking of pizza, I would maybe think about staying if you guys had pizza here. Do you have pizza?
Yeah? Yeah, pizza, 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 pizza. We asked for pizza. I know, but there's pizza right there.
Where?
Cheese pizza.
Cheese, I like olives. I like olives on my pizza. I need some olives, please.
Okay, okay. Olives.
Oh, nom, 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 nom. That looks good. I require green peppers on my pizza, please.
Oh, perfect. Nom, 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 nom.
Mommy,
Dragonoid, where are you? What do you like in your pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. All right.
Yum.
Ah, you ate that fast, Dragonoid.
Oh my god.
This is a pretty good cafe. Where's the other customers?
They went to their moms.
Uh-huh.
Their moms were in the car. They dropped them off to get some food.
Sounds very suspicious.
All of a sudden, they came here. I was like, what are those kids doing?
Now, where did that
No,
Blazagon guy go? He had like flames coming out of him and stuff.
Rockjaw was on the loose. I guess I gotta go. I gotta go and help them. I got all the mini monster trucks. Nobody's even getting me with my sword. If they come out, I'm like, he. Take that. Or they might just sneak up on me. No, that's not me. I'm the future of the universe. Help us! Help us! I'm getting squeezed. Help Help me.
We gotta save them.
Yeah, here, you take that one. Here, let's get him.
We'll save you, babies. We'll take you back to the cafe.
Yeah.